Hey, what is up everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair coming to you live here on Instagram. I'm going to show you a little bit of what we're working on actually today. So today I've got this 2015 Toyota pickup in here that has actually came in from a local body shop. So the vehicle unfortunately was keyed down the side, and as they were in the process of getting it ready for the paint prepping process, they noticed a few dents and dings here and there, kind of, you know, whatever. And then when they washed the vehicle off, they actually realized the vehicle had hail damage all over it. Obviously, being this time of year, a lot of people's vehicles are really dirty, and you know, people aren't running them through the car wash maybe quite as much as they should or would like to. Totally understandable. I know it's difficult for myself as well. You go to the car wash, you get washed up, and by the time you get home, your car's filthy already. So that's where them subscription packages for the car wash and stuff work real good, but it's a little kind of frustrating to go ahead and get, you know, go through all that work, you know, having it washed and then it's just dirty again. But anyways, so kind of want to show you here as far as what we're fixing for hail damage. So the vehicle had got hail on it, obviously sometime in the past. The customer, not really sure if they were aware of it. I just talked with the body shop about it, but just wanted to kind of show you some of the damage. So I've got a few of the panels already done here, but I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around here and show you as far as how some of the damage looks as far as on this roof rail. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of little dents and dings kind of all over the place there. As well as the roof. You can see that big one right there. But the body shop was not so much concerned about the roof. They were more concerned about just getting the dents in the panels that they were going to be fixing. So as you can see, there's, you know, they're not real big, but they're definitely there. And once you get our PDR light, like that guy right there on it, it really helps make these really pop out and show you. So yeah. So anyways, another thing working on basically, like I said, the whole entire right hand side of this, and then actually going to be doing some cleanup on the hood as well. So nothing too extreme. I think the hood definitely didn't look like it took quite as bad damage as some of the other areas, but especially that rail. I'm not really sure what's going on there as far as the roof rail, why it's hit. As hard as it is, unfortunately, we see that really often. It's still kind of mind-blowing to us as far as how that actually works out, as far as a vehicle can get hit with hail damage. And, you know, there's a little minor inconsistencies here and there, you know, between one panel and the other. But like this, for instance, how many dents are on that roof rail compared to how many dents are in maybe another panel? And it's not because of, you know, it being aluminum or high-strength steel necessarily. It's just, I'm not really sure. So anyways, just figured I'd show you and check in as far as what we're doing actually today here. I'm going to go ahead and get rolling on this rail here and hopefully make some pretty good headway on it and whatnot, and get this car rolling on down the road here shortly. So, well, not today, but anyways. So, anyways, if you got any kind of damage or anything on your vehicle, and you'd like to have any kind of questions answered by us, feel free to go ahead and give us a call or shoot us a text message at 605-250-1023. Be happy to chat with you about any of your dent repair needs for any means, as far as small dents, big dents, hail damage, stuff like this. You know, we'll be happy to help you out. So, anyways, look forward to talking with you, and take care. Thanks for watching.